The next point is specify transfer of acquisition and production cost values. I am in IMG screen of SAP S/4HANA and I will go to node General Valuation under Asset Accounting. Expand it and go to the option Depreciation Areas and go to Specify Transfer of APC Values and execute it. Here we define transfer rules pertaining to the posting of acquisition and production cost values for depreciation areas. As you can see here, these transfer rules ensure that certain depreciation areas have similar asset values. Now here you have to do few settings. If you will not do that, you will not be able to assign chart of depreciation to your company code. So first of all, you have to ensure that depreciation area 30 value is 00. It should not be 1 because the reason is that this area posts real time. Do you remember that I made the settings in depreciation areas? If I will show you again, so depreciation area 30, this area posts in real time, and depreciation area 1, this area posts in real time as well. And also you notice that depreciation area 30 has got non-leading ledger assigned with the account principal GAP. So this area posts real time, and like depreciation area 1, it does not take values from any other depreciation area as compared to the rest of the depreciation areas. For example, depreciation area 15 and depreciation area 20 and depreciation area 32 are adopting values from depreciation area 1. The reason is that these depreciation areas do not post. If you see the screen defined depreciation areas, you can see here depreciation area 50 does not post. So it takes value from depreciation area 1. Similarly, depreciation area 20 and depreciation area 32 take values from depreciation area 1. So these settings are here, right? These are adopting values from depreciation area 1, adoption of values from depreciation area. Now you can see depreciation 31 are adopting values from depreciation area 30. So that's why in here in this screen we can assign 30, 31 as non-leading ledger. 31 area does not post and 30 area posts in real time. You have to do the settings carefully. Otherwise, you will not be able to assign chart of depreciation to your company code. If any areas are identical, so you can check the box. For example, 31 and 32, there are two checkboxes which are checked by default. And in the end, click Save if you make any changes here.